So I'm gonna make a video of my fan display. So I'll get to the fans in a sec. Over here is my newest fan. Actually, I got two newest fans. That one, and then I'll show you the box. It didn't come with a globe, so we just got its own little light. So this I don't know why I just cut it out, but I'm gonna have to cut it out again because I gotta shut off my two ceiling fans. Actually, I have 4 ceiling fans, but there's 2 of them running. So, yeah, so we're back. I don't know what just happened, but these are guys. I don't know why I just called them guys. Because they're boy fans. Why I just say that? Did one of the biggest ones first. Oh no, it's this one. Dee 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 dee. And then this one. Well, would you look at that? Dun, 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 dun. See the differences? There's not a difference. I'm going to be making a video of me placing this. Actually, well, I'm going to make a video of me replacing this thing with this. And then I also have that ceiling fan up there. It doesn't actually work, if you're wondering. Where's the remote? Where's the remote television? It's back here. Why do I always put it in the hardest spots to find it? This has like a change the light thing. So here's a low speed. I know it looks kind of fast in camera, but I promise you, in real life, it's real slow. And this is the light on it, and it kind of looks like the moon when you zoom into it. And then you could dim it too. This is like the lowest setting on the dimmer. But anyways, here's everything running. Cha 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 cha. And last but not least, I don't know what just happened, but okay. Ceiling fan. Ding 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 ding. So now this one is just gonna stay on its speed because it's gonna go on speed. And then I could just reverse these because they're on one speed. Hi. Now this kind of off. There's high. And then that's high. Like that. Medium for this thing. Reverse for this thing. And then reverse for this boy. I don't know why I keep calling my fans boys. I reverse these things. Help me! I can't find the remote for the ceiling fan. It's right there. Here's the down rod. I promise you in my kitchen there's a longer down rod. Medium. It looks very fast in camera. Oh my god. This. Look at that light. It's actually spinning really slow in real life, but in camera, oh my, it's fast. Yeah, what did I do? Dun 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 dun! I think it's about time that we turn these fans off, and these ones off, and this one, that one on high, and this one on high. Wait, when you do this, it looks like it's spinning so slow on camera. When you zoom out, oh my god! Also, if you like my Minecraft house that I built, then like this video. Jump in, chest, create furnace. Yeah, we don't really need to show this. Come on, piggy in there. Come on. TNT block. So we're gonna turn this one off. This one's really quiet. That's off. For some reason, this one is buzzy. I could try to set up the camera and like try to show both of the fans. I don't know how I'm really gonna do that. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing to the camera. I gotta find something to set the phone up. Anyways, I'll see you when I find something to set the phone up. I think I found something. Oh my god. I think I found something. And that is, I don't know. If I can just sit it up on my gaming chair, I can get like this, but I don't know how I would do that though. Oh man, I know how I could do this. See me? Hi. If that's about it, then subscribe to the video. Do. Yo, this thing is spinning fast. Holy cow. Oh, it really sounds like a helicopter when you go under it. Yo, the light goes all the way over there. You can see the shadow of this. It really sounds like a helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. Ding, 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 ding. I mounted this up in my room. Well, I kind of just took apart a lamp. Although it looks like a helicopter, the power is spinning. This ding 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 ding. To be honest, it probably is a helicopter thing. Here's high for this. I wish there was a light on this one too, so that there's light everywhere. You know what I mean? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. and wait for it, just a little bit longer, and you're done.